Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between dealer and distributor. Both dealers and distributors are important in the supply chain process, but they differ in their functions, responsibilities, investment levels, and business operations. Let us understand these differences one by one. Number 1. A dealer buys products from manufacturers and resells them to customers, whereas a distributor purchases products in bulk and supplies them to dealers, retailers, or businesses. Number 2. A dealer owns products after purchasing them from manufacturers, whereas a distributor takes ownership of products in bulk quantities. Number 3. A dealer requires lower investment compared to a distributor. On the other hand, a distributor requires higher investment because of bulk purchasing. Number 4. A dealer holds limited inventory according to local demand, whereas a distributor maintains large inventories to meet market demand. Number 5. A dealer operates within a specific or limited geographical area, whereas a distributor covers a wider or larger territory. Number 6. A dealer sells directly to end customers or retailers, whereas a distributor mainly sells to dealers, retailers, and businesses. Number 7. A dealer has limited control over pricing because prices are often fixed by manufacturers, whereas a distributor has greater pricing control within the market. Number 8. A dealer has a minimal role in marketing and mainly follows manufacturer promotions, whereas a distributor actively participates in marketing, promotions, and brand development. Number 9. A dealer works under a dealership agreement, whereas a distributor works under a distribution agreement. Number 10. A dealer faces lower risk because operations are usually smaller in scale, whereas a distributor faces higher risk due to large investments and inventory management. Number 11. A dealer earns a lower profit margin per unit sold, whereas a distributor earns a higher profit margin per unit. Number 12. A dealer handles lower sales volume, whereas a distributor manages higher sales volume. Number 13. A dealer usually does not manage bulk logistics and distribution, whereas a distributor is responsible for bulk transportation and logistics operations. Number 14. A dealer generally provides basic after-sales support, whereas a distributor often provides extensive after-sales services and support. Number 15. A dealer is appointed for a specific market or area, whereas a distributor is appointed for a larger territory or region. Number 16. A dealer mainly focuses on selling products and building local customer relationships, whereas a distributor focuses on expanding the distribution network and market coverage. In short, dealers are the final connection between products and customers, whereas distributors act as the bridge between manufacturers and dealers in the supply chain. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.